Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off application tray on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here I'm going to show you first at my phone there are a tray for applications, yeah guys. So at this home screen there are no application except the application that I want to add for home screen. So if you want to see all the application, you just have to open this tray application. You just have to swipe up from the home screen like this. So if you want to turn it off, go to the settings page. And now in the settings, go to the home and lock screen options. Now pick the first one, which is home settings. And after, we'll see here the home screen style. You just have to tap on it. And yeah, as you can see, I use the app tray, application tray. For turn it off, you just have to switch it to the second one, which is open. Here I'm gonna switch it. Now we just have to go back to check it. As you can see, for all the application there are at this home screen, yeah guys. If I'm gonna swipe up like before, there are no tray application anymore. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.